So you're thinking about buying or selling in Orange Beach, Alabama. Well, today we are walking through a one bedroom, one bathroom Gulf front condo in Orange Beach. Excellent rental. These clients are out of state, so we're doing a final walkthrough for them. Anyway, I got my assistant with me. He's out of school today, so he might be having a cameo as we do our walkthrough. But we figured while we were here, we'd let you come take a look with us. So come check it out. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about what it's like to live here, vacation here, current market conditions in the Orange Beach Gulf Shores, Foley, and surrounding area market. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do videos just like this each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face-to-face. We get calls and texts and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we've got some out-of-state clients that just closed on this condo, so I'm here doing a walkthrough for them. Figured you guys may want to check it out while I'm here. Again, one bedrooms, excellent rental potential. If you saw some of our earlier videos, last month we closed on a one bedroom with a bunk bedroom, 2 full bathrooms down at Lighthouse for $610,000, and those can do definitely in the $50,000 range for gross rental income. This particular unit here is doing in the 40s. So again, great rental property. So come take a look with us. That's going to just about do it for today's video walkthrough of Phoenix 4 one bedroom Gulf front unit. We're up on the first floor, but as you can see, still has an amazing view at 801 square feet. You got a full-size washer and dryer, complete full kitchen, full-size nice bathroom. No carpet throughout. It is tiled unit. Phoenixes are known for good amenities. This complex also has an indoor pool. Has a kids feature out here, and as you can see, just steps away from the beach. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about what it's like to actually live here. You know, the beach life. Till next time, we hope to see you around town.